The Insinkerator Standard Series Badger 100. Now, this garbage disposal will instantly eviscerate any apple cores, sunflower seeds, rancid fish bones, or even fingers that you don't want anymore, simply by shoving it down into the sink and pressing the go button. If you don't want your fingers anymore, get the Insinkerator Badger 100. It's a great deal. And that's my pitch for Insinkerator. Should I crack this thing open? Insinkerator, sponsor me. Why haven't I been sponsored by Insinkerator yet? Dave Bonowitz has a bidet sponsor. Why don't I have an Insinkerator sponsor? So it comes with this handy warning label. Super important when you are dealing with plumbing, that you know how to install your drain. So if you don't do the drain right, this is just teaching you a little bit about how the process works, and I think that's huge. And thank you, Insinkerator, for doing what you need to do to educate your users. It's great. Got a registration card. We're probably not going to register our Insinkerator. Not super important to the process of getting this sort of thing installed. Of course, you got the user manual. Just going to tell you all these sorts of warnings. Gives you the blown up version of your Insinkerator. Got the tools necessary to install it. Love that. Love to come prepared. It's kind of crazy to think that basically a third of a horse is equivalent to this. This is equivalent to a third of a horse, and it fits in my hands. You gave me a third of an actual horse, I would never be able to lift that with one hand. So anyways, we've got this is the hole that the food goes in. As you can see, if you don't have the plug in, you can just fit your whole hand in there. If you want to, you can just put your hand into the Insinkerator. Okay? But that's why we put the plug on top of it, so that nobody's hands go in there. Can't do it. And that's the safety features that Insinkerator includes in their products, and I appreciate that delightful aspect. Now for the creme de la creme. The drainage. This is the drainage bag. This has the L pipe that goes out of the Insinkerator. Just kidding. That's not the creme de la creme. The creme de la creme is the actual device. Look at this thing. Look at this beast of maw of destruction. This maw of destruction. You see the maw? Put your apple cores in there. Put your rancid fish bones in there. Put your fingers in there if you dare. Just kidding. It's not plugged in. Don't worry. I'm fine. It's not plugged in. See, the plug goes down here. You open that panel up, that's where the plug goes. And then you plug it into the wall behind the dishwasher. Anyways, Insinkerator. I will be accepting cash or check. If you want to send a direct deposit.